What's going on, guys? Today we have a 2016 Kia Optima that we're going to be showing you how to remove and replace your battery. Alright, the first thing we need to do is we need to get a tool to remove these two screws right here. Somebody's been here already. Remove this so we can take this out of the way and expose the battery. Alright, here we go. Once you remove the screws, it should just lift up and pull out just like that. Move it to a safe side. Now we have exposed our battery. In order to remove the battery, we have to look around, and there is one more right here. I believe that is going to be a 10 or a 13. Yep, that's got to be a 13. Here we go. Let's get that one out of the way. Once you remove your screw, you're going to want to lift this little tab bracket, move it out of your way. Grab your 10mm and loosen up the ground terminal. Remove the ground first, and then do the same thing with the positive. Alright. Remove the wires, lift the battery, and insert the new one back in. So once you remove your terminals, you can try and just pick it up and lift it out. Put it somewhere safe. Well, doesn't matter, it's the old one. And the same thing with the new one. We're going to go ahead and put the new one back, same way. Of course, remove your things. Get your caps. And then we slide it in. Just like that, lift that a little. Make sure it's under that right there. Yeah, make sure it's right underneath that tab. You see how it went under? That's how you want it. Alright. Always connect the positive first before you connect the negative, because we start the circuit before we end it. Get your 10mm. Tighten this down. If I had my power tools, it would go a little bit easier, but that's fine. Close that. Put your ground, and then the last thing would be to lock it in place. Alright. Let's get our ground. There you go. Once you tighten your battery in, slide this back, and then put your new screws like it never happened. And you're good to go. Oh, seems like I have lost mine. Don't lose your screw like I did mine. Keep track of your shit. Alright, that's it.